Welcome, explorers! Today we're embarking on an exciting journey through the Linux file system. Imagine it as an uncharted territory filled with mysteries to uncover and treasures to find. Whether you're aspiring to be a developer, a DevOps guru, or a system admin, mastering this skill is your first step to greatness. Welcome to the Linux file system. Let's start by finding out where we are. The command pwd stands for Print Working Directory. It shows your exact location in the file system. Think of it as checking your current spot on the map. Knowing where you are is the first step in any journey. You are currently in your home directory, which is like a base camp for an exploration. Now let's see what's around us. The ls command lists the contents of your current directory. It's like looking around the room to see what is inside it. It's crucial for navigating the Linux file system. In the output, you can see that directories like documents, music, etc. are colored differently from files. Challenge time. Use ls to peek into another directory. If documents exists, try ls documents. Otherwise, choose any other listed directory. You can pause the video now and explore. If you listed the contents of a directory, well done. You're getting a hang of this. Remember, ls is your go-to for exploring directories. If you're enjoying these Linux explorations, consider subscribing. Are you ready to move around? The cd command, short for change directory, lets you travel to different parts of the file system. Now you're in Documents. Think of cd as your teleportation spell, taking you wherever you wish in the file system. What if you want to return to your base camp? Simply use cd without any arguments, and just like that, you're back home. It's like a magic portal back to your home directory. Challenge time. From your home directory, navigate to any other directory using cd, then use pwd to confirm your location and ls to explore. Pause and try. If you navigated, confirmed your location, and explored the contents, you're mastering the art of Linux navigation. Great job! Share your experience or any interesting discoveries in the comments below. Let's dive deeper! We are now in a directory nested 2 levels deep from our home directory. We could also arrive here by using the cd command separately, twice, from our home directory. Now, how do we go back 1 level to the music directory? Double dot in Linux refers to the parent directory, or 1 level above. When given the double dot argument, the cd command takes us to the parent directory, or 1 level up. It's like climbing up to a higher vantage point on our map. Always handy when exploring. There's a neat trick to jump back to your previous location. See how we return back to the old subdirectory of music? The command cd switches you back and forth between your current and previous directories. It's like a return ticket to where you teleported from. Ready for another adventure? Navigate to a directory of your choice, then use cd to return back and cd again to go back to that directory. A mini quest for you. We are now in the home directory. If you managed to teleport back and forth and confirmed your location, you're becoming a Linux file system wizard. Excellent! The Linux file system has hidden treasures. Use ls-a to reveal hidden files and directories which start with a dot. It's like shining light into the dark corners of a room to find something. In Linux, anything that starts with a dot is a secret from plain sight. Let's go on a secret hunt. Use lsa in different directories and see how many hidden files you can find. Consider this your treasure hunt. You can see that there are a couple of hidden files here. Notice also that single dot and double dot, which refer to the current directory and the parent directory respectively, are shown in addition to the hidden files. Did you find any hidden treasures in your exploration? If you stumbled on anything interesting, share it in the comments below. Now let's dive into the details. ls-l reveals a detailed list of files. Much like a detective uncovering the secrets of each item, the output includes permissions, ownership, file size, and modification date. It's a snapshot of your file system's history, a window into the digital world you're navigating. There's a lot to unpack. Let's examine some of the key columns. Each column in this output tells part of the story. The last column is the file name, and right before it is the last modification date. The file size in bytes is just before the date. Other columns show permissions and ownership, which we'll explore in another video. Reading the file size in bytes can be challenging. The ls command includes a helpful -h flag that displays sizes in a human-readable format. Also, note that you can combine multiple arguments to ls, like -l and -h in this example. Challenge time! Can you use ls to display the sizes of hidden files in a human-readable format? Pause the video and give it a try. Were you able to find the sizes of the hidden files? Discover anything new about the ls command? Stay curious and consider subscribing for more insightful guides. Combining multiple flags into a single argument is also possible. The -l, -a, and -h flags can be combined as -l-a-h, making the command quicker to type. Are you ready to explore every nook and cranny of your file system? Let's start with a powerful command. ls-r dives deep, revealing the contents of all directories recursively. Imagine it as a bird's-eye view of your file system, where you can see every file in every directory at a glance. When confronted with an overwhelming amount of information from ls-r, especially in directories packed with files, there's a more visually structured approach. The tree command elegantly displays your file system as a tree structure, providing a clear and organized view. It's incredibly useful for understanding complex directory hierarchies. In case tree is not installed on your system, stay tuned for our upcoming videos on its installation and usage. Time to test your command line skills. Your mission is to find the largest hidden file in your home directory. Remember, hidden files start with a dot. Use your pwd, cd, and ls skills to track down this hidden giant. Ready for the challenge? We use ls with r, a, l, h flags to list all files, showing sizes in a format we can easily read. Here, we're looking inside documents to keep it simple, but you can run this command on your whole home directory. Notice in this example, subscribe. MP4 is the largest hidden file. Let's move into the Documents directory where our file is. Now check where we are with the pwd command. And that's it! How did your search go? Did you find the largest hidden file? Hope this challenge helped you practice navigating directories and understanding file details. Every command you used today is key in your Linux toolkit. Share your results in the comments. Let's see who found the biggest hidden file. Great job on navigating the Linux file system with pwd, lsr, and cd. How has this guide helped you? Drop your stories and questions in the comments. They're the fuel for our future topics. Excited for more Linux tutorials? Hit subscribe and stay updated. Thanks for being part of this journey and keep exploring. Until next time.